trying to influence Jude into influencing himself into being a YouTube influencer. Anyway, we're doing some for a customer. These are the Nexans. So Rachel likes the Nexans and the GT Radials. It seems like a good tire for everyone. Jude is balancing them up. And then we have a couple other tires that we have here for a job that's supposed to be here around 2 o'clock. We have the Jeep in the shop for full transmission replacement, clutch sleeve, all that nonsense. We have a customer here with a bunch of tape on their bumper cover and a bunch of other issues. They thought spark plugs was going to be the resolution. I don't believe so. We're going to talk to them and see what they want to do.
You see this? Wow, you have to hit 1,000
Yeah.
subscribers and either 4,000 public long-form watch hours in 12 months or 10 million short views in 90 days.
Yeah.
Which is absurd.
There.
I'm just sitting at home.